Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Start your videos, all of you. Welcome to all of you in this online spoken English, date 14th. Today's topic is vehicles. Different words, different objects, different names. We are studying to build up word power or vocabulary. We should know all the names of in English as well as in Marathi. So we are studying these different topics. With respect to these different topics, we are searching new words with different heads. We are learning different words. Today's head is vehicles, or today's topic is vehicles. You know the vehicles. Different vehicles are there. Before going to start this my session, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Do not forget to like and share to your friends because I give a video on every day. We see the different vehicles on different places. Some are on the ground, some vehicles in the water, and some in the air. On the ground, there are so many different types of vehicles are there. You are seeing your pictures. Look and find out which are familiar you and which are not.
Sir, my network issue. Sir, my network issue. Sir, my network.
आपला माईक म्यूट करा. तुमचं नाव घेऊन बोललं तरच बोला, अन्यथा नको. वारंवार सूचना नकोय. माईक सतत चालू ठेवायचं नाही. You are seeing here different vehicles, different pictures. You know the some pictures. Some are familiar, some are not familiar. We are studying about these vehicles. Know which vehicle you are familiar and not. What is the name of that vehicle? We see on road, but you don't know what we call exact name of that. But when we see this picture, then we know the name of all and everyone. Okay. Our activity, first activity, that is what is this? By taking this activity, or one question, many answers. Only one question we are asking to each and every word and finding the answer. Many answers. That's why this activity is known as the one question, many answers. Or the same question, different answer. When the object is different, but the question is same. What is this? What is this? What is this? And the answers are getting different. So same question, different answer. This is one of the activity. What is this? Konkatwar. सात्विक, ओके जयदीप,
This is a aeroplane.
what is the spelling of aeroplane?
Areoplane. Aeroplane.
ARE.
हो सर. हो.
Amarja,
Aeroplane.
Amarja, what is your answer?
Aeroplane. Aeroplane.
बघ जयदीप स्पेलिंग मध्ये काही चुकलंय का बघ. AERO आपण सांगताना काय सांगलं ते लक्षात घ्यायचं. दिस इज an aeroplane. Vedant Benjalwar, what is this? Okay. Sanjeevani. फास्ट करके रे काय बोलून बायला.
This is a bike.
Is this a bike? What is the exact name?
This is a motorcycle.
Motorcycle. What is the spelling of motor?
सर मी सांगू. I can say
हाँ,
MOTORCYCLE.
okay. Motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. Okay. What is this? Concordwar.
Well, this is the truck.
What is the spelling of truck?
TRUCK.
अरे मी त्याला बोलतोय, तुम्ही कशाला मध्येच बोलता. वेळ वाया घालू नका. तेच सांगत बसू का. कोंकटवार. हाँ येत नाही. ओके धनश्री.
TRUCK.
Truck. Okay. This is a truck. Next, what is this? Chaitanya.
This is a bus.
What is the spelling of bus?
BUS bus.
BUS. Okay. This is a bus. What is this? Sonakshi.
This is a car.
What is the spelling?
CAR. Car.
Okay. This is a car.
Car.
Indrayani, what is this?
This is a auto rickshaw.
What is the spelling?
AUTORA.
Auto rickshaw.
I can tell, sir. Sir, I can tell.
फक्त रेज हँड करा.
I
बाकी
can
कोणी
say, sir.
सांगायचं नाही. एकदा सांगितलंय मी ज्याचं नाव घेतलं त्यांनीच सांगणार. ओके रोहिणी देगुंडे.
प्रीतीला सांगू. AUTORICK. RICKSHW. Auto rickshaw.
Exactly. Auto rickshaw. AUTORICKSHAW. Auto rickshaw. This is an auto rickshaw. स्पेलिंग थोडी अवघड आहे, म्हणायला सोपं आहे, पण स्पेलिंग मध्ये फरक आहे. रिक्षा, रिक्षा, स्पेलिंग आणि उच्चार मध्ये फरक बघा. What is this? प्रीती.
This is a bicycle.
अरे, is it a bicycle?
Yes. Bicycle rickshaw. Cycle rickshaw.
It's a cycle rickshaw. What is the spelling of
Okay,
cycle
sir.
rickshaw? Srishti.
CYCLE
Mute आला की.
RIKSHAW.
जयदीप, ज्याला सांगितलंय त्यांनी सांगायचं, आपल्याला विचारलेलं नव्हतं. विनाकारण म्यूट करायचं नाही. नुसतं गोडीत सांगलालो म्हणून नाही. तंबी देऊ का? रिमूव्ह करतो म्हणून. नाव घेतल्याशिवाय बोलायचं नाही.
ओके सर.
अभ्यासाचा आनंद घ्या, अभ्यासही चांगला करा. ओके, शिस्तीमध्ये, बेशिस्त नको. सायकल रिक्षा, CYCLE RICKSHAW, cycle rickshaw. This is a cycle rickshaw. What is this, Preeti?
This is a jeep.
What is the spelling?
JEEP jeep.
Okay, spelling सुद्धा सांगा, नुसतं जीप म्हणून बसू नका. This is a jeep.
JEEP jeep.
What is this, Mansi?
This is an ambulance.
What is the spelling of ambulance?
AMBULANCE.
हा, बघून सांगितलीस, तिथंच आहे स्पेलिंग. काय होतं? लय हुशार आहेस तू. This is an ambulance. Okay, let it be. Yeah? What is this? Satvik. Satvik.
This is a tractor.
Tractor.
Sir, spelling सांगू? I can say
TRACTOR. Tractor.
Okay. This is a tractor. Varat. What is this? Varat. Okay. Suyesh. Suyesh.
Sir, network problem. PARACHUT parachute.
Parachute. PARACHUTE. Parachute चे स्पेलिंग नीट लक्षात ठेवा. This is a parachute. What is this? Konkatwar.
Sir, this is the train.
What is the spelling? The Indian.
TRAIN.
Network problem. Network.
This is a train. What is this, Sanjeevani?
This is a
Train.
Huh?
This is a ship.
What is the spelling of ship?
Yes,
SHIP. If I write SHEEP, what happened?
Yes,
no, sir.
No. No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
म्हणजे मेंढी.
यस
हा,
यस
sir.
डबल ईपी शिप म्हणजे मेंढी.
आणि SHIP शिप म्हणजे नाव जहाज.
हो सर.
आणि बोट म्हणजे मोठी जहाज.
बोट म्हणजे मोठी जहाज.
This is a yacht. Yacht.
सर
What is this? Ship. SHIP ship. SHEEP ship जर घेतलं तर आपला वेगळा अर्थ होतो. म्हणून हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. This is ship. What is this? Srishti.
Yes, sir. This is the helicopter.
What is the spelling?
HELICOPTER.
Helicopter. Okay. HELICOPTER. This is a helicopter. 15th. What is this? Dhanasri.
I don't know, sir.
Who know they raise their hand, otherwise lower your hand. Who know they raise your hand, otherwise lower your hand. Amarja, you know, what is it?
Sir, this is a tank.
Tank,
Tank.
tank, different name, tank.
Nice, sir. Tank. Nice, sir. Tank.
This is
Tank.
a tank.
Okay,
This
Mike,
is a tank.
mute yourself. Whom I asking, they tell only. दुसऱ्यांनी बोलू नका.
This is a tank.
Tank, what is the spelling?
TANK.
Tank or tramp?
Tank.
Tank, yes, exactly. Srishti, what is your answer?
Tank, sir. This is a tank.
Spelling?
TANCK.
TANK.
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 Think about it. What is the exact C here? Okay. TANK, tank. It used in the military. Yes. This is the tank. It is known as tank.
Yes.
These are the questions. This is one of the activity that is one question, many answers. But now many questions, many answers, or the different questions, different answers. This is one of the activity we are studying today. What is this? Konkatwar.
Sir, this is the bus.
What is the spelling?
BUS.
Okay. This is a bus. Okay. Mute yourself. What is the color of the bus?
The color of the bus is red. Red and black.
The color of the bus is red. Okay. Indrayani. Read the third question.
Why we journey by bus?
Yes.
Sir, journey म्हणजे काय?
प्रवास करणे. Ritesh, what is your answer?
Yes sir.
Why? Sanjeevani, what is your answer?
We journey by bus is equal to town to town.
Why विचारले why? आपण बसनेच प्रवास का करावे असं आहे प्रश्नाचा अर्थ. Why we journey by bus? सृष्टी.
Yes, sir.
See here the answer. We journey by bus for security. It is so secure. Other vehicles, private vehicles are not that much secure. This is very, very secure. It's a government. Okay. Fourth, is it useful for us?
Yes, is it?
Dhanasri,
Yes.
Yes, is it used for me?
is it not? It is useful for us. Yes, it is useful for us. उगाले
Can I, sir?
उगाले क्या नाही म्हणायचंच नाही विचार नाव दे सांगितल्याशिवाय हा
Sheep. This is sheep.
this is a sheep. Okay. What is the difference between sheep and goat? Do you know anybody?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Sheep is small, boat is big.
Boat
No,
is
sir.
big and large, and boat is a small. Ship is big and large.
Yes, sir.
Second question, Amarja.
Sir, me.
Amarja. Read the question and answer it.
What does it carry? What does it carry? It carry the goods.
It carries human and goods. Third question, what is? Yes.
What we
Rohini.
see out
Rohini.
What we see outside of ship?
या चित्राच्या या जहाजाच्या बाहेर तुम्हाला काय दिसतं या जहाजाच्या बाजूनं
पाणी.
Answer
Water,
it,
water.
please.
we see outside of ship is water.
We see water. Okay. Fourth question. Indrayani.
What does it run? No, does it run on road?
सांगा.
No, it is not run on road.
No, it does not run on road. Okay. Because it runs only in the water. Okay. What is this? Konkadwar.
Sir, this is the aeroplane.
What is the spelling of aeroplane?
मला नाही येत.
आता कसर बाबा पाठ कर की. ओके ओके ओके. सुयेश.
Sir, मी सांगू?
सुयेश.
Sir, this is aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. Second question. Ritesh.
What does it carry?
What does it carry? काय घेऊन जाते विमान?
Sir, passenger.
पॅसेंजर बी नेतात आणि पुन्हा सामान सुद्धा नेतात. वस्तू एकमेकाच्या इकडले तिकडे जातात. मोठमोठे विमान असतात. असं नाही की नुसतं पॅसेंजरच नेतात. It carries humans and goods. Priti Patil. Third question.
Did you travel by aeroplane? Yes, I travel by aeroplane.
Okay. Yes, I traveled by aeroplane. Fourth, Dhanasri.
Does it run on road? No, it's not run on road.
Yes. It runs on in the air. It not runs on road. Okay. These are the different vehicles, different questions, different answers. Like that, we also prepare some questions and answers. Now it's time for today's homework. Write all names of given vehicles in your notebook. Here are some vehicles and their names. Try to write in your notebook all the English words also and Marathi names also. What we call in Marathi, that also we require here. Okay? Try yourself. And second, prepare some question and answers about above vehicles. What are the vehicles here? See, and minimum 4 to 5 questions will be prepared about it. Question, answer, like that. Second activity. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please. Do not forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.